Support ticket. How to create a new support ticket in a few easy steps. Step 1. Accessing the support module. To access the support module, go to the main navigation menu at the top of your screen. Click on the Manage and select as Support from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Creating a new ticket. Once you are in the support module, click on the New Ticket Plus button to create a new support ticket. Step 3. Selecting a client. Choose the client for whom you are creating the ticket from the drop-down list. Step 4. Setting ticket priority and subject. Select the priority level for the ticket and provide a brief summary of the issue in the subject field. Step 5. Assigning a staff member. Assign a staff member to the ticket from the drop-down list. They will be responsible for resolving the issue. Step 6. Setting ticket status and notification preferences. Set the status of the ticket to either open, pending, or closed. You can also choose whether or not to notify the client and/or staff member of the ticket. Step 7. Entering ticket details. Provide a detailed description of the issue in the ticket details field. Step 8. Submitting the ticket. Once you have completed all the fields, click on the Create Ticket button to submit the ticket. Congratulations, you have successfully created a new support ticket in IT-LAN CRM. Thanks for using IT-LAN CRM. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.
If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to talk to us or request a call back via itlans.com.